Let's use Coggle. Coggle is a collaborative mind mapping tool. Coggle is a free web-based tool, but they do offer a subscription service for more complex and aesthetics tools. So to start off, you can either go to coggle.it, that's Coggle C-O-G-G-L-E, or you can just Google it. Right here, the first result. Once you're there, you can sign up or log in. I'm going to sign in with Google. You can sign in with Microsoft or do their single sign-on. I'm going to select my Google account, and once it loads, this is your home page. On the left, you have your profile and account information, diagrams created by you, diagrams shared with you, and a gallery of already made diagrams from Coggle that others have created. To start off, to make your first diagram, click this green button that says plus create diagram. Once it loads, you want to click in the gray box where it says click to edit title. Today I want to make one about the water cycle. Up in the right top corner you have some buttons. The first one is to present the Coggle. The next is share this Coggle. The third is download the Coggle. You can invite people. You can view and copy previous versions, or comment and chat. If you want to share this Coggle, which if you're working collaboratively you do, click this plus sign next to your circle icon. To invite someone, type in their email and send it away. They'll get an email with a link inside the body. They just click it and they'll get sent to log in and they can start contributing to your Coggle. You may just want to title it and have your collaborators kind of kick it off and go crazy, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a couple of larger branches to help get my students on the right track. So next, right over these triangles that come off of your title are these plus signs. To start, you want to click a plus and a branch pops up. Title your branch. I'm going to do off the ground. I'm going to make another one that says on the ground, and a third one that says under the ground. You can modify these with some text formatting. You can bold. Make sure you highlight first. You can bold it or italicize it or align it. There you go. And this corner with the lines on it, you can drag it to increase the size of your text if you want to make it larger. And the cool thing that I like is you can hover over the end of your branch and there's a plus sign. If you grab it and drag, you can sort of open up some more space. And if you go off the page, it'll just keep going in every direction. Just scroll around. So once you get main branches going, you can click at the end of it with the plus, and you can add what's on the ground. We have lakes. You can add another branch that says rivers or the ocean. Under the ground, we have groundwater. We have aquifers. We have the water table. And off the ground, we have evaporation, precipitation, and they just keep adding as they go. Again, you can drag these around to give people more space. Once you have some text going on, You can click inside the boxes. All of the boxes have the same options. But for the water cycle, I want to, you can add a link to a website, you can upload an image, or you can search for an icon. For this one, I want to upload an image. So it'll bring you to your Finder, and let's see, I want to upload this picture. It looks kind of crazy, but once you click outside the box, it should load, and there's a picture. You can drag it so it gets bigger, and you can add different branches. They can do things like name lakes. There are, you know, the Great Lakes. There's Lake Arrowhead. And they can just keep going and mind mapping lakes. I want to add another picture. Let's see. There's a cool picture of a lake. And things for, let's see, precipitation. What types of precipitation are there? There's rain, there's snow, there's hail, there's sleet, and they can keep going and they can add pictures of that. Another thing that they can add, oops, well, this is what happens sometimes. You click the wrong button. If you have a branch that you don't want, click and hold, and a submenu pops up. You can label it, you can reverse, you can choose a style, or you can delete. So if you click and hold, you can delete. So for my rain, I want to do something called search for icons. Looks like a little lightning bolt. If you click that, you have some pre-made things. You can use it to add graphic comments to your collaborators. You can say, oh, that was a good idea, I'm going to add a smiley, or a red cross, that's not a good idea. Or you can just start typing and see what comes up. Let's do a rain cloud. And when you click out, you get a little rain cloud. You can increase the size, drag it out. It's a really neat collaboration tool. Again, if you want to delete or modify, you click and hold at the part of the branch. Things always look kind of crazy until you hit enter or you click outside. And so students or whoever else you're collaborating with can just sort of start entering ideas. Everybody has access. It's live. They can see what's happening. And it just grows and grows and grows. I love the image aspect because a lot of people are visual learners, and this is an excellent tool for visual learners. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful, and have a lot of fun making your coggles.